Hello friends, this is Mahita. Welcome to Mahita Smart Education. Cracking UPSC is not a cakewalk. It demands good academic knowledge as well as quirky mental alertness. While academic knowledge is required for clearing the preliminary and mains examination, and one has to have good sense of humor to clear the interview round. And the most brilliant IAS questions are not only asked to check the strength or weakness of the candidate, but also for checking the honesty and integrity level of the person. So here in this video, I am going to show you 10 most interesting IAS interview questions. Okay, without wasting our time, let me move on to our video. And our first question. Suppose you are the district magistrate of a district. Two politicians, an MLA and an MP, are tossing you around for political gains. What will you do? I will give you 10 seconds of time. Think about the answer and comment me below your answer. While answering this question, you don't have to be too involved in this question. You just say you are neutral. Your answer must be as neutral. You can't support anything. You can't support your feelings or you can't support those MLAs or MPs feeling. So the most appropriate answer for this question is I believe politicians are very rational people. Hence, I cannot imagine such a situation like this. And even if such a situation occurs, I will follow the rule and will also consult with my colleagues and seniors if the situation demands so. And I think this is the most appropriate answer for this question. Okay, let us see our next question. An interviewer ordered a cup of coffee for the candidate, and the coffee arrived and was kept before the candidate. And he asked the candidate, "What is before you?" And what is your answer? Think about it and comment below the answer. I will give you 5 seconds. Before answering this question, you must note that the panelist ordered the coffee to create a scenario and confuse the candidate so that the candidate finds it difficult to answer this IAS common sense question. And the answer for this question is T because before the alphabet U, it comes the alphabet T, so the answer is T. Let us see our next question. Ram and Raghu, two twins born in May, but their birthday is in June. How is that possible? Think about it and comment me below the answer. I will give you 5 seconds. Yes, sir. And the answer is May is not the month here. May is the place where they were born. Okay, and our next question is how can you drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking? I will give you 5 seconds again. Comment below the answer. Okay, while answering this question, you must be in the positive side. You don't have to say anything negative. Uh, and the answer is like this. The concrete floors are hard, so an egg won't be able to break it. It implies the positive mind of yours. For example, you can also say like this. The egg will be broke out when it hit the concrete floor, but it will displace your negativity or negative mind. So you can say like this, the concrete floor is very hard, so an egg can't break it. It shows your positive mind, right? So okay, our next question. How can a man live up to 8 days without sleep? Think about it. I will give you another 5 seconds of time. Yes, sir. He can sleep through the night, sir. So it won't be a problem for him. The question is, how can a man live up to 8 days without sleep? Uh, if he is not um, sleeping in the days, then he can sleep on the night, right? And this is the answer. And our next question is, what looks like half an apple? Think about this, and I will give you another 5 seconds of time. And the answer for this question is another half of the apple. Yes. And our next question is, Bay of Bengal is in which state? Think about this question and comment me below the answers. The answer for this question is the Bay of Bengal is in liquid state. Of course, we are not talking about the political state here. We are talking about the state, liquid or solid or gaseous state. Okay, so Bay of Bengal is in liquid state. Of course, it is water, right? So it is in liquid state. And our next question, can you make 7 as an even number? Think about this question and comment below the answer. And the answer for this question is, of course, we can make 7 as even number by removing s. Yes. And our next and the final question is, what is the difference between there and here? Think about this and comment me below the answer. And the answer for this question is T. You can see the difference between there and here is only T, right? Yes, and these are the most interesting IAS interview questions, and hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Mahita's Smart Education. Thank you. Thanks for watching.